fucking love trains! I love trains! I love trains! Do you like trains? I fucking love trains! Yeah, let's rock! Woo! I know. It's a train! I don't know what else to say about the train. Look at the fucking train! Oh my god, it's a train! I wonder where it's going. It's probably going to Santa Barbara. Where's that located? Here, let's pose with the train. Ew! No, it's not a... Ah! Okay. Train. I like them because they're powerful. Are you really? I like trains. I got a minute of trains. I like trains, but I don't like people. Yeah, people suck, especially people on trains. But trains themselves are cool. Yeah, I don't like the conductor. Just because you're on trains does not make you cool. Man, I hated Thomas Tank Engine because he was half person. Damn it! I want a cheeseburger. Some fries. Some French fries. Some fries with that shake. Ooh, it's a church. Yeah, let's get some fries. I don't have any money. Some fries with that shake? Yeah, let's get some fries. Look at you want some fries. Okay, there's the end of the train. No, don't leave me. You have these little bumps going on these fucking... Don't leave me, train. You hear me? Don't leave me, please. Please. Screw you.